Today I am reviewing the Alesis Nitro Max Kit Compact Electro Drum Kit with quiet mesh pads. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an electronic drum kit that blends performance, versatility, and compact design, the Alesis Nitro Max Kit is an impressive option for beginners and intermediate drummers alike. This all-in-one 8-piece kit is designed to give you the feel of an acoustic drum set while keeping the noise low, perfect for apartments, home studios, or any practice space where volume can be an issue. Starting with the hardware, the Nitro Max Kit features quiet mesh drum pads that replicate the rebound and feel of real drum heads. The 10-inch dual-zone snare offers an authentic playing experience, allowing you to trigger rim shots and center hits naturally. It also comes with 3 8-inch mesh toms, a kick drum tower with a responsive pedal, and 3 10-inch cymbals including a ride, hi-hat with foot controller, and crash with choke functionality. All of this is mounted on a sturdy, foldable 4-post rack, making it compact and convenient to store when not in use. One of the standout features of this kit is its drum module, which comes loaded with over 440 BFD sounds and 32 ready-to-play drum kits, plus 16 user-customizable kits. This allows you to experiment with a huge variety of genres, from rock and jazz to electronic and hip-hop. Multi-velocity sampling ensures that each hit responds naturally to how hard or soft you play, delivering an acoustic drum feel that's satisfying and realistic. The Nitro Max Kit is also designed for low-noise practice. Thanks to the all-mesh drum heads and soft cymbal pads, you can enjoy long practice sessions without disturbing your family, roommates, or neighbors. This makes it an excellent choice for both day and night use. Connectivity is another strong point. You can connect the kit to a PC or Mac via USB and use it with BFD player or any dock to expand your drum sound library. You can even import your own drum samples or record directly onto a USB thumb drive. With USB/MIDI support, the Nitro Max integrates seamlessly with any VST or virtual instrument setup, allowing you to practice, record, or compose music in professional software. For learners, this kit comes with a 90-day Drumeo Access subscription, giving you lessons from over 200 professional drummers, including Grammy winners and touring artists. You'll get access to more than 1,500 songs and interactive lessons, so you can learn at your own pace and improve quickly. Whether you're just starting or refining your skills, this makes practicing both structured and fun. The Alesis Nitro Max Kit is more than just a beginner's kit. It's a complete, ready-to-play solution. It includes everything you need to kickstart your drumming journey: mesh pads, cymbals, kick pedal, drumsticks, a drum key, power supply, and a well-organized cable snake. Its stylish and foldable design ensures that it fits perfectly into small spaces without compromising on quality or functionality. In summary, the Alesis Nitro Max Kit combines performance, versatility, and convenience in a compact package. From quiet mesh pads and realistic snare response to thousands of drum sounds, USB/MIDI integration, and Drumeo lessons, this kit is built to inspire creativity, practice effectively, and grow with your skills. Whether you're drumming for fun, learning, or recording, the Nitro Max Kit provides a professional-level drumming experience right at home.